All right, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Build Break and Fix. To all those people who are new here, of course, we are Vocoders. That means we are a team of two developers from Melbourne, Australia, and we are sorry for the delay caused today. Um, yes, if you're interested in stacks revolving Express.js or Fetch APIs and a lot of AWS, GitHub, Postman, and DynamoDB, then you're in the right place. We stream every night from 9:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, because that's where we live and that's where we work. So yes, yesterday we were going ahead doing a lot of board testing. Oh, sorry, node testing, and I'm sure Zen, were you able to complete it all? Or?
Just the get note method was remaining, so still have to work on that one. But other than that, I think pretty much
Mm-hmm.
other methods are done. Yeah.
Cool. Do you wanna go ahead and complete that?
Yeah, let's do that. I'll just share my screen. Uh, what did I want it to do? Yeah. Right, there we go. And I'll share my screen now.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So,
TechDev says get some water.
already did at the start.
Nice.
Okay, so we were gonna do this.
Mm-hmm. So what are we checking for?
We're checking for, as in when we get the board, when we get a node and there are no boards, it should give us a not board not found error.
Okay.
So for that one, I'll probably have to get rid of this. Okay, cool. That's already gotten rid of. So if I give it, say, this one,
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, and a note should say board not found, which is ID is not, yeah, okay, that's fine. Because it comes, ID is not valid. Yeah, because it comes in there first. Hang on, why isn't the ID valid? It should be valid.
Let's see.
Patch up board. Ah, I was, no. It should be right. So if there are no boards and we're trying to get a note, I'll just do this one over there.
Mm-hmm.
And board, and we give it a body.
Yeah. Yeah.
Note. Say 1, 2, 3, and this shouldn't go through because the board ID is invalid
Right.
and board isn't found. What am I doing wrong?
What happened?
Doing something that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We
Yeah,
can't have this.
you have a body in a get method then.
Ah, what am I thinking?
It's all good.
To be honest, that one. How about now? So there's no board, so this should come in internal server error, right? Where does it mess up?
Let's have a look.
Can you mute those notifications, please?
I'm not how to mute LinkedIn notifications. I was actually talking to our guest only. To not ruin the surprise for everyone, but we have a guest on Friday. Um,
Brilliant.
I don't know how I mute that. I don't know. Sorry. Probably have to live with it.
Just talk to me on the mobile if you can,
Okay.
please. Uh, where do we want to go? CloudWatch. Board notes is undefined.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it coming up as board notes is undefined? Item, board notes. Save the board notes in there. Where's the board coming up as? Item. Ah, right. This. So we're going to board and then items and then find that and then we need to go into its items as well.
Mm-hmm.
No, that didn't work. So we're going to the board in the board itself and
Yeah.
then its item where it will have all the board IDs and everything. Yeah, so this should work. Board underscore notes. Why is it saying there's not 3555? Why are we even finding that? Because it doesn't really do a scan. It's only doing a query, so we don't really need this. We can just do this part here, and then board notes. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that one's done. Now
Mhm.
check what it does. No.
Okay, I have some interesting news, but I need to discuss it with you first.
Cool. We get. Ah. Alright, so nothing comes up, but that doesn't even work. Okay, where are we going wrong? That is update a note. So board ID boolean, let's just do this in a way. Board item find board notes. Item I'll have to change all this now.
I think we completed 80 episodes today, if I'm not wrong. I think we completed 80 episodes today, if I'm not wrong.
That's brilliant. Good to hear. Okay, that's there.
Mhm.
Now check if this works. Hang on, if the board is in there, guess the board ID, ID is valid. Yeah, but board is in there, definitely. Yeah. Get a note. Board ID, note ID. No, 1040. Still saying board underscore notes of undefined. This is really interesting. Because board isn't there, as in nothing's there, so I would even get to that. Ah, right. But it should actually come in here then.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's true. Um,
Is
true.
empty, board is empty, query, board ID. Right. I see. We made a mistake here. I think.
Mm-hmm. It's all good.
Board. No, 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 no. That can't be right. I was right the first place. Might be that one. This one is working, which is fine.
Mm-hmm.
And then it comes query. How do we use a? What do we need to do in a queries? Right? Yeah, that's fine. Just have to do that. Board ID, board ID. Oh, yeah, so wait, query to the params, and if board ID switch is empty, if the board isn't there, which is object
Mm.
null, return a false. What? What are we doing here? If object is null, return a false.
If nothing's passed to it, then return false. If you call, if you don't pass a body, then it should return false.
Case false, return false. This is
Take your time. It's okay. Um, try to comprehend. Um, yeah.
there we go. Object is empty.
Hmm. What's happening?
Mhm.
What's happening?
Console the board
Mm-hmm.
to my game because it shouldn't go further than the validation, which means that the code isn't really coming here anymore.
Okay. Yeah.
So I need to check if we are getting the board in the first place.
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
Where's my console? Okay, console is coming here as right. So I need to basically check. Right. Board. I need to basically check in items. So board the items. Did we do this before? Yeah. Find boolean. Right. Length. I was doing it wrong. Dot length equals 0. Switch. I don't know why we're using that empty is empty function though,
Mhm.
because that seems to causes a problem. Okay, come back to that.
Mhm. I mean, but we do need is empty, right? Like, there's no other way we are able to check if in a very, what do you call it? Well, if you want to check it in a very generalized way, that even if we pass a string or even if we pass an object, we get to know that if it's actually empty or not. So,
We can't use the it is empty on a string because it doesn't take a string. It takes an object.
think we can.
Because if you see here, it's taking an object only at the
That's
moment.
just that's just a variable name obj. Obj is a variable name. You can pass
Right.
anything.
All right.
You can do an object keys on a string. Um,
Okay. Cool.
yeah,
I didn't know that then.
yeah. Obj is not like any. If it was an object, um, there. I mean, you can't pre-specify in JavaScript like you do in Java, or not sure if you do it in .NET, but,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I see.
but hmm, beauty of scripting languages.
Okay, run this.
Mhm.
Come on, I made you happy.
Clearly not. Try harder
What does
then.
he want now? Status
Which line number is it? Oh,
57.
57. Oh, 57.
Why is it going all the way at the top of response
Oh,
status?
you put a space there.
Wow. Zane, wake up. Please wake up, Zane. I need you. Okay, come on, you have to, you just have to work now.
Wow, very interesting.
Where did I mess up this time? Status 57, same thing. What did I do? Object, return yes. Huh. There was space before. Clearly that's not the case.
Oh, right, okay. Wait, what's the error again? Status isn't defined?
Ha.
Oh, you didn't.
I
Oh, I
found
know what.
it. I
I think I
found it.
got it. You didn't pass the status code.
No, I didn't pass the response.
What? Oh. Oh. Also, you didn't do return semicolon.
My brain isn't with me today. It's gone on early, early holiday.
Hmm. Wait, tomorrow's a holiday? No, it's not. Hmm. GegDev says that's a real head scratcher. Scratcher.
That's his update that he's still watching us.
He's always watching us.
Yeah.
He's like that, God who
Hmm.
gets always
True.
watching you.
I'm watching you always.
Hmm.
Behave.
Mm-hmm. No,
Come on,
also,
you've got
uh,
to work now. Yes, it works now.
right.
Perfect. Port not found is done.
Yep. GegDev, I
Right.
sent you a message on Slack yesterday. I think you forgot to see it. I'm really
So
curious to know what
yes,
your place is.
if you can mark that one, and then I'm gonna move on to um doing the note
Mm-hmm.
not found.
Mm-hmm. What do you mean marked up? That works, right? So I don't need to mark it.
Yes, but in the thing, it's present as is. It doesn't work. That's why we need to update it.
So it doesn't work. Is it the case?
Okay. In Jira, it's marked as it doesn't work at the
Oh,
moment.
okay.
We need
Right.
to update it as it works now.
Mm-hmm. GegDev, can you send me a picture or something? What is it? Then you know what it is. You didn't tell me.
Huh?
Sweet betrayal.
I know what.
You know something which I don't know.
What do I know which you don't know?
Something.
So I'm not sure what you're talking about, to be honest.
Something which GegDev told you.
which I don't even know.
About it's like some sort of surprise or something.
Apparently.
Why didn't you tell me? I'm so sad. Okay, tell me after the stream though. I'm curious.
I can't betray Gekdev, to be honest.
Yeah,
If you want it to be a prize surprise, we'll have to respect that.
but why do
Even
you know? It's a surprise for both of us, right?
I just know the same thing you know, to be honest.
No,
As in, it's a really broad one.
he says Zen saw what I'm going to send you in Def Club.
Oh, okay. I see.
Send me,
Oh,
send me
right,
a text in
right.
private. Send me a
Huh?
text in private. Send me a text in
You're
private.
that curious, huh?
Yeah, good.
Um, shall I? Oh no,
Yeah,
I'm thinking now.
do it.
I feel like I wanna play along with Gag Dev this
I'm
time.
go- I'm gonna click end broadcast if you do.
Oh, what would our viewers say? What would be the impression of our channel, of the consistency that we had? One
Oh,
hour.
I think I know what it is. It's a T-shirt. I think
It's,
I
it's,
think
a,
so.
it's a swag, but that's
Yeah,
all I know now. I don't know anything as in that's what you told me.
I think I know.
Okay, cool. All right, that one board no found is done. So now I need to test it. I need to test if a note is there. Cool. So for that one, I'm gonna have to post a board. Board name 1. Okay, and then use this to do get note, and this should not work. It should tell me note not found. Oh, come on. Come on. I know I'm bad in this. Of course. What am I thinking? So just
Very
note.
nice, Kingdom. You actually got it. That looks so cool.
Note present.
Very nice.
If not,
Wait, when did you send this and when did you receive the print? I'm kind of curious. This is like your 9:30 p.m. mug.
ah, okay, yeah. I think I've seen the mug.
Hmm. Hmm.
If then catch it and uh, note isn't found, then we don't need the info. We need the catch 309. So board note. So notes are not found in there. Then how do we return that? So if that's not found. Ah, okay, right. If so, I can probably do this in one line. One line. Love to share your prayers. Ternary of prayers. Error return 404. Not found. Yes. I don't think we need a try here, to be honest. What will we do? This one is that one. This one comes with that. Yeah, otherwise it's this one. Oh, I've got one extra here. That's why I was bringing it up.
Okay. Give me 1 second, I'll get some water.
Alright, just deploying this now. I think we're nearly at the end of this part. Okay, try this now. What? No. We don't have any board notes. This is the board, isn't it? Bad gateway. So board items, board name, board notes, authorities and present. Why am I doing wrong here? Try.
Hello.
Hey. If the board ID is present, then give out this one. Otherwise, error return response to F404 message response. Then come here. Single note. If that's true. Not yet. Stringify. Yeah, that's fine. If that's there. For actually, let me check in what have I done in the others.
Yeah.
Send. I'm gonna do this. Switch case. Cool. Surprise. Switch is not present. Case is false. Default. If it's true, then we simply wanna. What do we simply wanna do? Send the response and then return it. Just wanna send the response and then JSON stringify it by saying that. And if it's not, then we wanna do that. Return and return.
You almost fixed things up with the guest.
Cool.
So yeah, let's see what happens.
That's that one. Switch if
Are
it's
you
present.
working on like fixing stuff now?
I'm still trying to get the scenario, which is not found. That isn't working apparently.
You didn't send the res object then on line
Again.
560.
Thanks for reminding me. Oh, created as well. Okay, created.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Come on, you gotta work now. You don't have a choice.
Well, don't worry about it.
It doesn't have a choice. No, I'm not
You
gonna.
literally sound like someone who's gonna just kill it. Like literally just murder it if it doesn't.
I really want this to work now. As in, it doesn't have a choice. No, it can't have a choice. Let's go. Work now. You will work. God damn it. Alright, where did we go wrong this time? So it doesn't even show any error.
Oh, very interesting.
Board notes. Yeah.
Page of code.
Huh?
Yeah, let's see the code. Yeah, go up a little. Let's see from the top. Yeah, go up. We'll just have a look from the top. Yeah, okay. Get bored. Note ID is there. Yep. Yep.
These
Is
are fine.
alphanumeric. Why did? Oh, okay. That should be fine.
But now
ID
again
is
the
not
board.
valid.
Now get rid of this
Alright.
board and then board item length here. That's fine. Now it shouldn't.
Also,
here.
that's a wrong message there on line 547. That doesn't mean board not found. That means no board found in database.
Okay, so I wanted to tell you about that. It's good that we keep our messages as short as possible, because say board not found, the user wouldn't want to care if
Mhm.
it says in the database. They just want to know that if the board is there or
Okay.
not, which is
Yeah, sure.
why I use as in just this one, as in
Okay.
board
Then
isn't found.
yeah, if you changed one, then you probably should have gone and changed that in all of them. But it's fine.
I think
Um,
I've done that already,
oh, all of them. All right. Okay. Oh,
probably, as far as I
one.
can remember.
Okay. Um.
Yeah. Anyway,
Oh no, no.
cool.
There are some, but it's fine.
Okay,
We'll go ahead and do
yeah,
that.
we'll do that afterwards. So
Yeah.
board not found, that one.
Till which part are you sure it was working? Like it was throwing errors and stuff.
Here.
So this is was working, right?
Yes, and this part is not throwing no not found error now.
Not okay, right? Okay, let's see. Mm,
No.
how about we put the? Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. Put the try and all the thing outside the for loop. It'll work. So it's going inside the first time and it's doing a switch and it's seeing if it's present or not. Like it's the switch is executing every time the for loop runs, which is wrong.
Yes.
So it goes
Right,
inside
right, right. I see.
and it does res.send straight away.
Ah, that makes sense. So if I do it after the for loop,
Yeah. Is there
single
anywhere you're
line.
gonna make global? Yeah, probably single. No. Just type it. Oh.
I'm being lazy. Don't want to code today.
Remove the const from line 558. Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let's try this now. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna go straight to Cobol.
Bed. Okay. Cobol doesn't work, then Uber.
Yeah, always there as a backup.
Yeah. Get dev said Uber. Nah, so Zen changed his backup after seeing a lot of demand in the Cobol market, and it probably being actually I don't think so it'll be easier, but yeah,
I'm just joking. You know that, right?
yeah. So if you wanna go somewhere easier, then you can go into QBasic or I don't know stuff like Minecraft development.
I think about it.
Oh, I still miss QBasic. Simpler times.
Oh, have you done a bit of it? Don't know.
It's like a lame sort of a thing. It's
Mm-hmm.
like a lame language um, developed in like 1990. That was like the last stable release, and
Mm.
it's just it was used to just teach us programming, just like the concept of creating variables and adding and dividing.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Yeah.
That's cool. Alright, where's Cobol?
Oh, is it time?
Where's Cobol? It didn't work.
Are you sure the boards and stuff are right? Wow. Okay.
What? No, 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 no. Why? He's doing this now.
I think the whole thing crashed a little. That's fine. Go ahead and see the error. It's like really, I think it's something to do with the brackets then, if the whole thing isn't compiling.
Syntax error.
Yeah.
Undefined. Missing initializer in const declaration.
Which line?
Wow. 98.
Hmm.
Why all the way up? I haven't even touched that code. Missing
I don't
const.
think it's 98.
I
Was
think
it
it's something
198?
to do with here. Const. Ah, declaration. Is it
Oh,
like
lol.
that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because if it doesn't
Okay.
go
Ah, come on, Zane, open up your eyes.
in, oopsies.
Come on. It will work now. That's a huge comment from a person like me. It will work now.
I mean, it'll work. I know. You'll make it work.
It will work at any cost, right at the
Yeah.
end. But I don't know when the end's gonna be. But it will work right at the end. The end. Come on, I need boards now.
Yes.
Cool. So that's empty. That's fine. Get a note. There we go. And note not found. Note not. See, told you.
Very nice.
Thanks to you for pointing all that out. Because if that didn't happen, I would have still being stuck here.
You would be installing COBOL compilers.
Yeah. Alright, discard. I'm gonna commit it. And if you can update the
On it.
Jira as well.
Yep.
Fixed validation. Method. Cool. Let's call it a day. As in call it a night.
Yeah.
It's not.
Do you have to? Did you push the code?
Yes, already have.
Right. Okay.
Why?
Uh, no, just pushing the code. That's it. Right. Do you want to make an announcement about the merch and stuff?
Yes. So our merch has finally here, and we are gonna be as in distributing it to all our special guests who we owe the merch to. So keep an eye out. It can be anytime. We
And
won't
if
tell
you
you when.
wish to go ahead and buy it as well, we will
Hmm.
be starting from the store soon. If you're
Yes.
really in a hurry, let us know in the comments or text us. We'll manage. All
Yeah.
right.
And if you want to comment on our LinkedIn page, we will be it's already on. I'm pretty sure you guys have it. And I'm also thinking, okay, in these spaces that we have, as in the screen, we can probably set up our banner in a way that
Yeah.
we have got the YouTube channels, YouTube channel,
Hmm.
Twitch channel, and LinkedIn page QR code.
Yeah, for sure.
Hmm. So,
And we should do.
yeah, perfect, guys. Thanks, Gekta, for joining us. Been a pleasure
Yeah.
having you always, and to all the others as well who joined us.
Yeah.
Always been a pleasure.
Hmm.
And we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. And
And a different task.
there we go. All right, guys, have a good night and sleep well. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
And bye bye.